Welcome back to our special winter adventure as we learn about prefixes, suffixes, compound words, antonyms, and synonyms. Today, we're just going to be looking at compound words. So, thanks for joining us as we are chilling with compound words. Now, first, what are compound words? Well, a compound word is two words put together to make one new word with its own meaning. Can you read that with me? A compound word is two words put together to make one new word with its own meaning. So let's look at one for example. We have the word snowman. We have the word snow and the word man. And we put those two words together to make one new word. We built a snowman after it snowed last night. Read that sentence with me. We built a snowman after it snowed last night. Now, we have to be careful because there are some words that look like compound words, but they are not. Here's two mistakes I've seen people make. We have the word father that some people think is fat her, but th says the. So that's a blend we can't separate. So that's father. And we have the word together, which looks like to get her. Well, we're not trying to get anybody because we're doing something together. Again, we have some blends there and digraphs we don't want to separate. So, with that said, let's practice with some real ones. We have the word butterfly. A butterfly landed on a flower. Can you find the two words? If you said butter and fly, you are correct. Butterfly. The butterfly landed on a flower. Read that with me. The butterfly landed on a flower. Let's try another one. Can you find the two words? Our word is weekend. We went to the park on the weekend. What are the two words? If you said week and end, you are correct. Can you read that sentence with me? We went to the park on the weekend. Now, I think you're getting pretty good. Let's practice. What do we need to complete the compound word? So I have part of a compound word there, but not the whole word. They flew in an air blank to see Grandma and Grandpa. Which word would you choose? Port, basket, bird, or plane? If you said plane, you are correct. Read that sentence with me. They flew in an airplane to see Grandma and Grandpa. Let's try another one. She put on a blank coat and got an umbrella so she would stay dry. Which word would you choose? Wind, rain, heavy, or pink? If you said rain, you are correct. Read that sentence with me. She put on a raincoat and got an umbrella so she would stay dry. Now, let's try a couple more practice and then we'll be done. This time, can you find the compound word? I may have put a tricky one in there. A card from his father was in the mailbox. What's the compound word? If you said mailbox, you are correct. Read that sentence with me. A card from his father was in the mailbox. What are the two words? Mail and box. Very good. Let's try one more. They went to the playground together. What's the compound word? If you said playground, you are also correct. I put in that tricky word to see if you remembered. What two words make up playground? Play and ground are correct. Good job. Read that sentence with me. They went to the playground together. Now, as we end, Let's go back and let's review what are compound words. Read this sentence with me one more time. A compound word is two words put together to make one new word with its own meaning. Thanks for sticking around to the end, and I hope you'll join us on the rest of our lessons in our special winter adventure.